Simpleng red flag that you can spot right away when you are talking to a prospect para hindi na kayo magsayangan ng oras, magkaubusan ng Zoom, at syempre mapuyat ka ng walang katuturan. That red flag is this. Pag sinabi ng kliyente na sky is the limit, walang problema sa budget, hindi yan totoo. Kasi, totoo namang may budget. Merong set allocation yan. Meron yang set price in mind. I don't have a budget in mind. So, how would you automatically eradicate that? You tell the client, oh, thank you for letting me know, but just to be fully transparent, and I can get this out of my head, I still want to give you a quote. Here is the quote. Are you good with that? Immediately, makikita mo yung knee-jerk reaction. Baka mahal eh. Akala ko sky's the langit. Hindi. Doon mo malalaman na, hindi ka pala talaga niya afford. O, di ba? Hindi kayo nagsayangan ng oras na sabi mo na agad, ikaw naman, nakapag-practice ka ng new rate mo or yung rate talaga na gusto mo. Di ba? That is the best way. It's either you qualify or disqualify that prospect. Bye, bashers.